Do you have objects on the wall or in cabinets or shelves that you're worried about falling if they get bumped? Apply some museum wax and that'll solve your problem. Hey everyone, Scott from Scott's Top Tips. In this video, we are going to cover museum wax. This is what the professionals use to hold down artifacts, different knickknacks on shelves within their glass cabinets, containers, so forth. If there's any earthquake trembles, or if somebody accidentally bumps it, those artifacts, obviously very precious, they don't fall and break. But you can pick this up at your local Home Depot or Lowe's. You can order it online. I'm going to show you what I'm going to use it for, because I want to make sure a new pot that I installed in the bathroom behind me doesn't accidentally get bumped, crash onto the sink. So let's check it out. All right, here we go. So I just installed this in my daughter's bathroom, and we would like a nice little plant, a little shelf. But if they knock this with their shoulders or their hand, they grab their toothbrush, they can hit that. I don't want this falling off and breaking. Cute little plant. So we're gonna apply some museum wax right here to prevent that from actually falling. So let's do that. All right, here we go. Museum wax. Pop that open, and you'll see it has a little applicator and wax inside there. Now this wax, as you can see, if I get a big chunk, pops out just like that. For those of you who surf, this is actually like surf wax, carnauba wax, that you can just place on your board and it creates traction. That's essentially what this is. But we're going to take this, we are going to apply it on the underside of the plant. I'll probably put it on the back side there. That'll be enough to hold it. Now for this plant, I got a hefty piece of wax. So you can just take this off with your hands, roll it up into a ball, kind of like a large bug. But here, I'm just going to place this. Notice there's an indention here, so I'm going to place it right, maybe a couple of them on here. Actually right there, I can see these different placeholders. I'm going to put the wax right on those, so let's do that. So I'm just going to take this off, and I'm going to roll it up. I'm going to pull little sections of it into balls. Put it on there. Then I'm going to do two more equal size, approximately, little balls, because that's what I'm going to place onto. Let's do that one right there. Right here. And the last one I'm putting right there. Here we go. Out. There we go. Now I'm just gonna kind of squish it down just a little bit. Look at that. Everything sticks, right? That's actually in there. Of course, you can just peel it back off. So if you want to clean around here, it pops off and you stick it back down. So I am going to put it right back down. There we go. Now this is another one that I wanted to secure, and I don't want it broke by accidentally knocking it over. You can see it's kind of wobbly. So I'm going to secure some museum wax on the bottom base. Wax, pop this off, and I am just going to get a large piece, scrape that off. Big chunk right there. Then I'm just gonna keep that right now because I don't know what the underside looks like. It's been a while, so at least I'll place that right there. We're gonna look on the bottom here. So I wanna place 3 on the bottom. Place one there. I don't want it sticking out, so I'm gonna fold most of this on the inside so I don't see it sticking out. Let's do one there. There we go. Look at that. Doesn't rock anymore. Love it. There you have it. Museum wax. Works wonders. Who knew? Go ahead and pick some of this up today. You'll be glad you did. All right, I'm Scott from Scott's Top Tips. Thanks for watching all the way through. Like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff, and we'll see you on the next video.